Hello, welcome to another video. I am very happy to have you here with me, and be aware that today I will talk about the Red Desert Violin. The violin is a classic musical instrument that is known for its rich and expressive sound. If you've always wanted to learn to play the violin, but never had the time or money for lessons, the Red Desert Violin is the perfect solution for you. But first of all, I ask you to stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to talk to you. It is important to be aware of frauds and scams related to this product. To ensure your safety, I left in the description of this video the official link where you can enjoy a special offer from the producer. Remembering that the purpose of the video is completely informative, so stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to do. What is it? The violin is a string musical instrument that is enjoyed by people of all ages. It is a versatile instrument that can be used to play a variety of songs, from classical to popular music. If you've always wanted to learn to play the violin, but never had the time or money for lessons, the Red Desert Violin is the perfect solution for you. Red Desert Violin is an online violin course that offers everything you need to learn the instrument, from the basics to advanced techniques. With Red Desert Violin, you'll learn to play the violin in no time, even if you're a beginner. Benefits. Red Desert Violin offers a number of benefits that make it the most complete and effective online violin course on the market. Learn to play the violin in no time. The Red Desert Violin is designed to be effective and efficient. The course is divided into progressive modules that will help you learn to play violin step by step. Access the course from wherever you are. Red Desert Violin is an online course, which means you can access it from anywhere in the world. You can learn to play the violin from the comfort of your home or anywhere else you wish. How it works. The Red Desert Violin is divided into 3 main modules. Fundamentals. In this module, you will learn the basics of the violin, including how to hold the instrument, how to tune the strings and how to play the first chords. Progression. In this module, you will learn advanced violin techniques such as playing scales, arpeggios, and complex rhythms. Music. In this module, you will find step-by-step tutorials to learn how to play your favorite songs. Conclusion. With Red Desert Violin, you'll learn to play the violin in no time, even if you're a beginner. The course is designed to be effective and efficient, and is taught by an experienced violin teacher. In addition, the course is online, which means you can access it from anywhere in the world. So, what are you waiting for? Start your musical journey today with the Red Desert Violin. Thank you for coming this far. Until the next video.